Hi, I'm John O'Donnell at MarineMax Kent Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2024 Galeon 510 Sky. Back here on the swim platform, this is a hydraulic submersible swim platform. When it drops down, you have a little swim ladder here which goes down with it, so once it's in the water, it's easy to come in and out of the swim platform, in and out of the water. You've got a barbecue grill under here. One of the nice things about this is this has the optional rotating aft seat. So this will rotate 180 degrees one way and 180 degrees back the other way. So the folks that are sitting here can be facing any direction you want, whether you're underway or in port. The table drops down, forms a large lounger as well. Moving up into the cockpit area, the actuator to rotate the table around is just a stainless steel fitting right there on the deck, and it's easy to pull up and just rotate the table around manually. There's also a dinghy garage underneath the rotating aft seat. The port and starboard sides will lay down in a beach mode and brings the outside in, as you'll see here shortly once we move inside. We have beach mode set up here on the port side, and on the port side you'll see we have half of the boat wide open. You've got your galley right there, serving countertop, you've got some bar stools, you got LED lighting across the top, and a broad, expansive entertaining area here. And that's one of the key features of the 510 Sky, is this beach mode where you're just completely open all the way across the vessel, and we'll take a look at that as we go inside. So as we come into the cabin here on the 510 Sky, your galley is to port. You've got two refrigerators here. One is a large drawer refrigerator, and then surprise, surprise, you've got a large door refrigerator over here as well, and freezer up top side. So plenty of space to keep your drinks cold. You've got your convection microwave oven, a 2-burner electric stove, and of course your sink. Above you have a automatic vent hood which comes on when you extend the device here to turn that on. It automatically comes on and off. Lots of storage up around top, and also cutlery storage compartments in your drawers, and a nice little raised little countertop bar here. Opposite side on starboard, you have this lounger here, and this lounger also will rotate and allow you to sit facing outboard with the beach mode. So if you drop your starboard side down, so you've got both your port and starboard sides down, you open up your starboard sliding glass door here, you have more beach mode out here. Of course, this door will also close when you fold this cushion up, and you can enclose the whole cabin as well for air condition. So you can have the outside in, or you can keep the outside out. Here we are in the middle salon. Up above, you've got some retractable shades, port and starboard side. Then forward of that, you have a large sunroof, and you can see we have the sunroof half open right now. So the sunroof closed or open, again, adding to that outside in or keep the outside out mode, however you choose when you're on board the boat. Port and starboard windows here, these very large windows next to the helm, and then on the port side of the cabin also drop all the way down, which is very nice for docking and also for allowing the outside in. On your helm here, two large displays. You've got your bow and stern thrusters. You've got your throttles. One of the most important things is you have a seakeeper on board, which is a gyroscopic stabilizer. Your engineering plant on here are Volvo Penta D11 670 horsepower diesel V drives. You also have a nice generator down below as well. Down here in the engine room, you can see your Volvo Penta D11 670 horsepower twin diesel V drives. You've also got your generator down here, and then behind the aftermost bulkhead is your Seakeeper and all of your house batteries. The helm seat here, very neat little trick here with the helm seat. The helm seat will pivot around and it becomes part of the cabin here. So for dining, enjoying, entertaining, your very large dining seating area here with a very big table. There's a extra cushion that goes on top of here. The table drops down and this becomes a giant boat-sized queen bed as well. All the way forward in the cabin, we have the VIP suite, a large boat-sized queen, copious amounts of storage, both on the port and starboard side. You will have these huge hanging lockers here. In addition to the storage on either side of the bunk, you've got a really nice vanity, makeup, and jewelry center over here. Of course, privacy blinds come down for all your privacy. You've got the option of opening all these blinds in the overhead for plenty of light if you're down below reading a book during the daytime. You have a flat screen TV, which is right over on the starboard bulkhead behind the camera. We also have the day head here, which also is the head for this cabin. So we're just going to hop in through the day head here. Gorgeously appointed, nice shower, vacuum flush, and a separate sink and vanity area. Down to starboard, we have the kids' favorite and the grandkids' favorite, the bunk number 3 stateroom. So you got your over and under bunks in here, but not to be undone, you've got this huge storage cabinet here again. So you never have a lack of storage space to hang your hanging clothes as well as drawers and pull-out containers to store all your equipment. But the kids will love this because it is the bunk room. Down in the primary stateroom, underneath these doors here, you have a washer-dryer combination unit, flat screen TV, another large closet over here, more storage along over here, deep storage, a large boat-sized queen, beautiful finish and appointment. The woodwork in here and the finish and the attention to detail is really notable here. It has a backlit LED design here, and it's just a gorgeous, beautiful boat. Off on the starboard port side here, we have another large seating area. There's a large mirror here, and then a nice makeup and vanity with jewelry slots here. A nice comfortable chaise lounge type seat here, and storage underneath as well. You'll notice that there's large windows in either side, and of course we have shades and blinds that come down for privacy. But again, when you're down here in the primary stateroom, you're still part of the outside because these windows are so large. When you do open them up, you don't feel cramped at all. You got great headroom in here, and it's just absolutely a stunning primary suite on this boat. In the primary suite, you've got your primary suite head here. You have a separate shower, gorgeously appointed again, very similar to the day head, equivalent in the countertops and the fit and finish and all of the accoutrements in there. Just a stunning, beautiful head here for the primary suite. Up here on the bow, we have 2 port loungers, 1 port, 1 starboard, as well as some regular seating along the back. We got drop down backs, so when you're underway, you can go ahead and drop these backs down. They fit in a nice hidden compartment underneath these lower seat cushions. But you can see another large entertaining area up on the bow. It has its own separate audio zone as well. Looking back on the cabin, you can also see the opened sunroof there and how that slides back across the top of the coach roof there. But again, a second entertaining area up here on the bow with lots of room for all your friends. Now here we are on the pièce de résistance of the 510 Sky. We are on the Sky, which is a pseudo flybridge, but it's really a Sky. We have lower seating up here, which again is a lounger which runs all the way around on the sides. You've got this helm station here, which is a fully functional helm station. It electrically articulates up and down. You've got a wind deflector there, so when you are sitting here in the captain's chair, the wind is deflected up over you. But the primary purpose up here is an optional driving location, but a wonderful high-level area to be on the boat, be in the sun, another entertaining space. You've got your table, but if you want to cover this up, there's an electric canvas cover which will roll forward, and it will cover everything down here, and it will cover up the whole sky deck up here. So this is an optional entertaining zone that you can cover up when you want to just get it out of the sun, or alternatively, roll that cover back, come on up your ladder, and here you are on the 510 Sky. Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour of the 2024 Galeon 510 Sky down here at MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. This boat is here for you. It's waiting. Come down for a tour. I'd be happy to show it to you. She's a beauty.